In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Replit Agent to create your own apps without need of any coding experience, and this is totally free, and turn them into the business idea for 2025. My name is Inderjeet Singh. I used to create videos on DevOps and tech related videos. If you're really interested, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and stay tuned with the next video. I'm not going to waste more time. Let's start how to use this agentic AI and we will see it. Well, Replit Agent is an agentic AI. There is a generation of AIs. It starts with a deep learning, then perceptions AI, and then generative AI. Now it's agentic AI, and then there is a physical AI. If you know that, if you already have used ChatGPT, that is a generative AI, which is basically you put the prompt and it will give you the results based on the how AI is already have some data. Now this Replit Agent AI is a AI powered coding assistant that can write, debug, and deploy your application on cloud. The best part, you don't need to learn any coding experience. If you're from the non-technical, you just need to learn how to write a prompt, and you can also use a ChatGPT for writing a prompt to understand better, but you just need a best idea that can be make a more revenue or make a money in the future. Okay, so well, every great business is solving someone's problem, right? That is how businessmen are earning money, right? So well, if you want to start a business or you want to start any software company or build any application, that application should solve someone's problem, right? The first thing, you need to find out the common problem that people are facing, then convert your idea into the application and sell it in the market. So enough talking, let's create your first AI generated app. Go to the first link, replit.com, and you need to sign up with your email. Once you have signed up, you need to set up your account, so you can put whatever your the name. So I use a temp email at this moment because I think my credit was completed, so I don't want to use any another email. Now there is a 3 plans. One is a free plan where you can use to start your ideas to convert into the applications, and here you can have the 3 public projects. You can create 3 projects and limited access of the agent access, which I will discuss about later how to use it for free also. And there is a one more plan which is a $15 per month. So first try with the free startup because I don't want you to spend your money in the beginning. So start with a free tier. We will use this one. Start your plan, can refresh. Now I have a prompt. Okay, here I need to put the prompt that can create an application so that agent AI can think about and create my entire application. So let's see what happened. So I have idea which I have already decided before this video. So this idea is basically file transfer tool with the QR code. So I want to create an application that is a file transfer tool kind of, which is sender upload the file and it can generate a QR code and also will give you the link, and then receiver can scan the QR code and download the file instantly. Also I just put the some more details about this features and other things like sender features should be like lightweight HTTP server. So if you don't know what how to put these things, you can even simply put this first 2-3 lines how you want to build the application, that agent AI will able to understand that. But for now I just did everything. So what I can say is simply I copy this thing and I will paste here, and that's all I need to do. So it will take some time like to think it. For example, it started, and let's see if it is able to build my QR code file transfer tools. So let's see. Now you see the agent AI is thinking and receiving your message. It takes some 2 or 3 minutes. Now it is giving me few options that do I need to put in this my tool. So let's say add a multiple file support. I want this thing. File encryption, at this moment I do not want that one because I don't want to make it more complicated application. I can do it later on, which is required for a production application. At this moment it's fine. So add a custom expiry time selection, that is also I don't want because I already have mentioned it should expire after 5 minutes. So that is fine. Create a download statics. This is required. You can say approve plan and start. Now this agent AI, Replit Agent AI, will build my entire application. You see I am not doing anything, and in the right side it start creating a files and developing every single line of code. So you see that how it's quicker than the developers that we try to hire people to write a project which take 2 or 3 months to develop one single application somehow, but and then we face a lot of issues. And nowadays how AI is changing the world of thinking, that we were thinking that AI cannot be replaced developers or like this thing. So I was also thinking that when the generative AI came into the picture, we have to give the prompt to write a code, right? And then AI, I mean, generative chat GPT wrote a code and we have to implement it, right? But this agent AI is totally different. It is like a writing a code, it is installing the packages automatically and giving you the results, which is crazy, really crazy. I mean, you don't have to do anything, right? It is giving you the web portal to see if you can see that. Now you see we have the application ready, so it's saying the application is ready. So I can simply say here, opening a new tab to test authentication and cookies. So it's saying that that is fine, that's fine. So my application is ready. You see this how my application looks like. So I can try to upload it here, saying try to upload a small text or image file. So let's say I want to upload any text file. So let's say Argo CD image, and fail to upload. Maybe I can upload any another based applications, for example anything like this. Okay, so I'm getting an error, which is fine. So at first time you may get some error. So what I can say, please fix this issue, I am getting error while uploading. Let's see if it is able to fix that issue or not. So now it's trying to install those packages, and then let's see if this will fix or not. Okay, so it installed the Python image library. Now my application is ready again, so I can again open it. Okay, now let's try to upload it again. So I'm going to use the same image to see if it works. Perfect. So I am able to upload the image, and it is giving me the QR code to scan, and whoever is going to scan it, it will automatically download the file. So another thing, it's also giving the URL. So I can copy this thing, and here I can open it new tab, and you see that I'm able to download it. So this is crazy. Like, I built this application in just 2 or 3 minutes by just putting 2 prompt, and this Replit agent write entire code. Another thing is, once the application is built, the next problem is to how to deploy the application, which Replit agent also solving it. So they are giving an option to deploy on their own cloud. You can select a reserved VM, which is a little bit cost you more, and it is a 0.014 per hour, which is a little bit high for my understanding. Another thing, they are recommending to use a auto scale, which is basically they are using a Kubernetes cluster to deploy your application on microservices, and this cost you 0.00032 something, and probably there is a fixed cost for $1 per month, and that is, so you can use this one as by my understanding. If this is a static website which has HTML, JavaScript or CSS only, then I think use this option, which is, I think it doesn't cost a lot of things. Okay, another thing also, they are having scheduled, which means if you want to schedule your application on specific time, you can use this feature. Well, this is amazing. I understand that it might be crazy and you can start your own business. For example, you have great idea, you deployed, and now you want to sell it on a market, or maybe it's solving someone's problem, right? You can basically do with these tools, and you can start earning in 2025. That's it for today's video, and if this video is useful and you want more kind of these AI tools in a next video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and comment below if you have any another suggestion. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.